Another Walmart find, the Pueen Nail Stamp Fun Kit. Hey everyone, hey NailTubers, I am excited that you're here because I couldn't wait for you to see this. Here's something else I found. Remember I found that crystal stamping kit? If you haven't seen that one, I'll have a link in the description box. So this is the polish stamping kit. I came across this nail stamping kit at Walmart too. Yes, I had to have this too, honey. I have one of these kits from last year, and this one has different patterns that I like too. I can start a small collection. Based on the contents shown on the outside of the box, let's go through this and see what's inside. There's the stamping plate with 12 really cute patterns. Oh, and this blue protective layer, you just peel that off. An instruction card to use as a placement in front of you. There's the scraping card, and then there's a clear jelly stamper so you can see where you're placing your design. And two stamping polishes, white and black. They're the same polishes that came in my previous kit, and they stamp pretty well too. And yet another great find to go with this stamping kit, mess-free latex tape. Well, actually it's a liquid. Now this was really something to come across because this is what you paint onto your skin around the nail. Then you peel it off with any excess polish. I see this in many videos and wanted to see if it really works the way they show it and make it look so easy. So let's do this. So I have my instruction card, and this cute little scraper. Oh, and let me just pull this protective layer away. There's this clear jelly stamper so you can see your placement, and also there's a cue marker in there. If you see it right at my thumb there, that'll help you with more accurate placement of your design. I use paper towel off to the side to wipe my scraper, and I tend to use a makeup sponge to clean my stamping plate. Oh my goodness, I have to tell you guys this. This stuff better works because this stuff has a pretty bad smell. As you can see, the stamper picks up pretty well. Now, I'm using a press-on nail because my personal nails are so short. I wanted to get a good portion of the design so you can clearly see the stamp. It turns out pretty good, doesn't it? Now this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Will it or... look at it! It works! Look at how I'm stretching it just like in the other videos. Here's a little cleanup around the sidewalls and cuticle area. When applying the top coat, you just want to float. Floating is when only the polish touches the nail and not the actual brush. When cleaning your stamper, you can use Scotch tape or a lint roller works nicely too. While these portions of the video are still in real time, I wanted you to see actual drying time. Now, I don't have any of those fancy inserts or whatever people are able to put in. I still have to learn how to do that. So I'm just going to show you a start time marker and an end time marker. So there's your start time. And there's your end time. So I would pretty much say it takes 60 seconds to dry, which isn't bad at all actually. You have a tendency when you're using gel polish to cure for about 60 seconds. So that's just about equivalent, isn't it? This has now become my favorite part. Oh, I just love it. It's kind of therapeutic, right? Just to even watch it. I had fun doing it, but just even watching it is pretty cool. So I will stamp in one more color, and then there's a bonus clip at the end. So stay tuned.